Filipinos are incredibly light in spirit and very good at finding the silver lining in their lives. We Filipinos are well known to be hospitable. We always welcome our visitors with a smile. As a matter of fact, we Filipinos would usually greet our visitors with the phrase, "Feel at home," to ensure that they are at ease during their stay. One distinct Filipino way of showing respect is saying po, opo, at mano po to older people. We truly value families by showing love and care towards them. Even with various difficulties such as poverty, we Filipino remain a happy bunch. We definitely know how to smile and laugh despite of our problems. You know what best about being a Filipino? Is that we are known for our hard work and dedication to our work, just to ensure our family could have a better life. Lots of our Filipino people choose to be away from their family to be able to give them their needs. Working abroad is not easy, where you will feel homesickness and sadness. But with the help of gadgets, we still have time to communicate to them. Filipinos also showing love to their co-workers abroad by telling them to be strong enough and never give up. No matter what struggles came across, just keep going because you have the will and the strength to overcome it all. Our very own concept of bayanihan that does not only apply in community but it also applied in our job and workplace, in which we tend to finish tasks as a team. During this time of pandemic, change all of our lives, but we should not give up. We should help one another because we are a Filipino and forever be. We rise as one nation.